Okay, this is going to be a video to help those of you out that whenever you're streaming or trying to do recording with OBS, how it will pop up OBS had a random encoding error and then it just like won't do anything. These are potential solutions that I found. So the first one actually has nothing to do with software, believe it or not. It has to do with what USB port you have your mixer or your mic plugged into. So if you're having any type of issues with that, try your different USB ports. You may get different results. I don't understand how it works, but I just know that it worked for me and it fixed part of my issue. The other issue that I think people will be interested to know about is actually within Windows Defender. Open up Windows Defender, go to Virus and Threat Protection, Manage Settings, and then Exclusions. Add or remove exclusions. Click on Yes on the UAC. Just add this folder. Just do it. There is a part of your computer that when you're starting your encoding, it tries to save data to your local disk, right? Sometimes Windows Defender doesn't want it to do that. So if you add it to an exclusion, it's just going to allow it to go through all the time. I don't understand the specifics behind it, but it has helped me. So if this video has helped you, be sure to like and subscribe, and I will be seeing you guys on the next video. Let me know if I helped you in the comments below. I'll be seeing you guys.